A fake guru sells something like how to make money with YouTube, AI, dropshipping, SMMA, real estate, crypto, trading. Some are easy to spot and some are far more deceptive because of the marketing psychology they're using on us. And it's not your fault if you've been sucked in before. I promise you, I've been sucked in way more times than you, but I found these 3 red flags useful in detecting fake gurus so I could achieve my goals without bleeding my bank account dry. If you're new here, I'm Craig Dew, and I went from $40,907 in credit card debt to financially free without selling a course on how to get rich. Red flag number 1. Their main income source comes from selling the business opportunity or get rich quick scheme. So they're selling the dropshipping course instead of making money doing dropshipping. The AI book generator course instead of making money selling books online. How to get rich on YouTube without using YouTube to promote a real business. And while they might have done those business opportunities in the past, it's easier to get rich during the gold rush by selling shovels instead of actually mining for gold yourself. Red flag number 2, the easy button. Get rich quick schemes are always easy. This is because our brains are biologically wired to conserve energy or be lazy. And so this is a powerful psychological trigger used against us. But the truth is, real businesses are hard. You need to develop multiple skills, and the first skill is discipline or working hard. Very few people built a business in less than 40 hours a week. They might have started as a side hustle and then transitioned into full-time when the business became viable, but most people work 40 hours or more to build a real business. Red flag number 3, speed. It's in the name, get rich quick. Getting rich in 2 weeks is obviously way better than waiting 5 to 10 years. Unfortunately, real businesses take time. That's because you have to learn skills in order to grow them. No one course can teach you about operations, finance, sales, marketing, and the personal characteristics you need to develop in order to be successful. Don't let the testimonials fool you. These people often brought a bunch of business skills to the business opportunity, and the course was the icing on the cake that helped them be successful. And if you look at the proportion, 99.999% of people fail, and so that's not good odds. You can acquire the skills and build a real business if you're willing to ignore the lure of the get rich quick fantasy. Just find something that you enjoy doing, that you can get good at and add value. Don't chase the money. And here's the truth you probably don't want to hear. Personally, I suggest you go get a job in the business that you'd like to start. That way you can learn the skills specific to that business. You can also be curious about the other departments and talk to the business owner about what it really takes to be successful with that business. Plus you can get paid to learn and build up the capital for your own business. Maybe starting it part-time while you still keep that full-time job. Remember, this is going to take work. So use the red flags of the main income source, the easy button, and speed to avoid the fake gurus. You deserve better.